Hi, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to study two more pair of words, ordinance and ordinance. I'll show you how to avoid the confusion and use these words correctly without making mistakes. You will get a quiz at the end of this lesson. You have to solve the quiz and I'll show you answers later on. It is for you to check your understanding. So let's jump in. Now you can see a picture on the screen. You have to figure out the meanings of these words. Let's wait for a moment, then we'll proceed. I hope you have tried to check out the meanings of these words. Now let's see meanings with examples. Ordinance. O-R-D-I-N-A-N-C-E. Ordinance means a government order. A government has issued an ordinance to reform the education policy. Recently, Modi government has issued an order to change the education policy, and it is going to change after 34 years, and the new policy is really very flexible and it will boost up the morale of students. Now let's see few examples of ordinance. The country ordinance prohibits smoking inside public establishments. The sentence says that the country has passed an order where smoking is prohibited in public places. When the ordinance is passed, people will be fined for not keeping their front lawns neatly cut. So there will be an order passed by the government in which it will be written people have to clean their front lawns. Third sentence, the ordinance abolished slavery in all villages ruled by the king. Now villagers are free to do their business and they can live a free life. When our city council passed an ordinance prohibiting Sunday alcohol sales, many citizens were upset about the restriction. But it is really a good ordinance and order passed by the government, because there are a lot of people who consume lots of alcohol on weekends. So it will stop consumption of alcohol up to the certain extent. Now look at the fifth sentence. The town ordinance requires all individuals to clean up after their dogs when accompanying them on a property they do not own. So this is also a good ordinance or government order. Now let's proceed, friends. Now ordinance. O-R-D-A-N-D-N-A-N-C-E. That means a gun or arms. There are many ordnance factories in India. That means there are many ordnance factories which deal in guns and arms and armaments. Let's study few examples of ordnance. One from the ordnance factory and one from the army. So the sentence says that one person from the ordnance factory and one from the army. There was so much ordnance stored in his office, he had to get Pare to take some home. So he had to get Pare to take ordnance or guns at his home. Study a local map and the ordnance survey, which is a mine of information. You can study local map and you can see the ordnance service or survey. Yet Flemish farmers still unearth exploded ordnance nearly every day. That means unearth means to bring into limelight. That means bring into limelight and to figure something out. That means they say that Flemish farmers get unexploded guns or mines every day. Ordnance survey maps are the official maps of Britain printed by the government. So these survey maps are the official maps, and these survey maps are related to guns and arms and armaments. Now you can see there is an exercise on screen. You have to read the questions and select the suitable answer from the given options. You can stop the video and find out the answers. Now let's see answers. Which of the following words related to closest to the words ordinance? The answer is B, that means law. Ordinance means government order or law. Which of the following words relates closest to the word ordnance? That means a material or gun, you can say. Ordnance is what type of noun? Ordnance is mass noun because it talks about the whole category of arms and armaments. Select the correct version. Law is nothing other than a certain ordinance of reason for common good. That means, as you know, that the meaning of ordinance is government order. So government order is always for the beneficial or benefit of common masses. Nowadays you can see in this COVID-19, government always likes issue some orders for lockdown for the betterment and for the safety of public. Which of the following replaces the missing word? There are still thousands of people dying every year in Laos, mostly children and farmers from unexploded anti-personnel ordnance. Here they are talking about guns and you can say mines. Thank you friends. Take very good care of yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe my Easy English channel to get latest videos on the screen, and don't forget to press bell button near to it, which will always inform you about latest information about my channel. If you have any doubts, you can write down on comment section, and do subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Thanks very much friends. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.